Now, here's a quick little demonstration of what I'm thinking about in terms of action items for a lead. So we're in a lead right here, 41 Cedar Tree Drive, and you can see, excuse me, you can see that I have a pending action item here. It's showing that we have to call the lead. So this gets created. This action gets created when the new lead comes in from the website. So we want to click into this, and we go to the action manager, which then will show you the list of all the actions, and then also the current action information. This shows up on the lead, and this will change depending on which action is pending. So let's say we're going to call the lead. So we talk to the lead, got some information. Okay, this is completed. And now we're going to decide what we're going to do. Say we need to follow up with this lead in about a week because they're not quite sure. They have to ask some questions to some people, find out some answers. So we'll say let's follow up in a week. So what now happens here is another action item gets created and linked back to the action manager. So let's go back to the action manager, and you'll see. So now you see in this action manager, originally there was just call the lead. Now since we completed the call lead and we created a new action, which is follow up, this is the follow up action scheduled for 1 week from today, which will be November 30th, and now it's pending. You can also see up here, now the current action is follow up on 11:30, and here's the details, follow up with this lead. This is these are calculations fields that determine which one is the next pending item, and then it will list that up here. And if we go back to the lead, you can see that now the pending action is showing as follow up on 11/2016. So that's kind of the way I'm thinking how I could set up an actions manager. Additionally, with REIFlow, I can create give you a tool to create templates. So every time a new lead comes in, you can say that, okay, I want to create a call action the next day, and then say a follow up in a week always, or a call action and then a send out or send out a mailing to them to say thank you for calling or thank you for signing up. Or you can have an action created for your team member to call the lead back, and then another team member to do research on the property. I mean, it's pretty flexible in what you can do, but it's cool to be able to have a template of action items all set for any new lead that comes in. I mean, you could just have one that just says call item and then figure it out as you go. But also being able to come in here, okay, we followed up, completed, person isn't quite ready yet, so then we follow up again. And now we'll create another action a week later. So if we go back to the action manager, now we see that we have another follow-up. Now the date's still the same because I'm doing this on the date at the same day. So it's set to follow up 7 days from the current day that you're modifying the record. So that's what I have. If you have any comments or ideas, I'm just thinking this out. This is just a concept. So let me know what you think. Thanks.